Hello everyone, welcome to MATLAB Simulink Essentials. In this video, we will see how to generate three-phase AC voltage waveform, and along with that, we will see how to use the MUX and Demux block. Take the AC voltage source present in the specialized power system library. Change the peak amplitude to 325 volts because if we multiply the RMS value of 230 volt by root 2, we will get the peak amplitude as 325 volts. So change here the frequency to 50 Hz. Now copy this block, open the second AC voltage source, and here we will give the phase delay as minus 120 degree. And for this third AC voltage source, we will give the phase as plus 120 degrees. Connect these negative terminals together. Take voltage measurement block. Do the proper connections. Now take the MUX block, open it and change the number of inputs to 3. So connect this output of this voltage measurement block to this MUX. Now take the scope block to view the waveforms and connect it to this output terminal of this MUX block. So as you can see here, this MUX block can take multiple inputs and it will give only one output. So now we will take power guide block. So we will consider stop time as 0.08 seconds. Save the file. And run the simulation. Now open the scope block. So here you can observe three-phase AC voltage waveform. So this is our phase A, here is our phase B, and this is our phase C. So you can change the color of these waveforms from this view tab by going into this style. So we have already seen it in our previous video. Now let us see how to use the Demux block. So take the Demux block, connect it to this output of MUX block. Open the Demux block and change the number of outputs to 3. So copy this scope block, change here the number of input ports to 4. We will connect 4 terminals to this scope block. So we will connect this output of this MUX block to this first terminal of the scope, and then these 3 terminals of this Demux block to this remaining terminals of this scope block. So as you can observe here, this Demux block is exactly opposite to this MUX block. It can accept only one input and it will give multiple outputs. So save the changes and run the simulation. Now open the scope block. So this is our three-phase AC voltage waveform which we have obtained using the MUX block. and these are the three different AC voltage waveforms or three phases, phase A, B and C, which we have obtained using the Demux block. So that's all from this video. Check out the description box for the quiz and do answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel Start Scratch, and do check out our other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content.